So in the last video, I addressed this email that I received concerning how do I increase, this question was, how do I increase profitability on current customers and then grow and add customers and maintain profitability? And I talked about gross margin. Well, what exactly is gross margin? Well, it's called by different names. I've heard it called gross profit. Some people even will modify it even a little bit more, call it net revenue. But essentially, it's taking all your revenue, subtracting all the direct costs, and that's the gross margin. Then, and this is on the profit and loss statement. Below that are all the other expenses of the company, and then you have your bottom line called net profit, net income. So I want to focus on direct costs for just a minute. I like to have it where those are all the direct costs that generate that particular revenue. So with a product, it might be the actual cost of the product, the shipping and handling, other fees, and can be called cost of goods sold. Another, if it's manufacturing, then you might include all the direct labor, cost of materials. So because you're putting something together and you're making it. Managing those costs is absolutely critical, and knowing your margin dollars is important because that manages your cash flow. But you also need to know what your gross profit percent is. And that's simply taking the gross margin dollars and dividing it by the revenue. And so you need to know both your percent and your profit. So here's what I'd encourage you to do. Go look at your P&L, your profit and loss statement for this year, this month, previous years. What's been your margin, both in dollars and in percent? Is it going up? Is it going down? And there's a whole lot more we can get into this. But what I'm going to do in the next couple of videos is I want to go back to this email and I want to address how do you get increased profitability with customers. I'm going to tell you a story around that one. And then how do you scale and grow profitably and maintain those margins? So please, if this is helpful, like this video, and I'd love for you to subscribe, and you'll keep getting the videos as we send them out. We're doing this Monday through Friday every week.